Okay. Just bought a Jetta. $500 was hit by lightning. Majority of the computers that were bad were replaced. ECU, body control, and this gauge cluster. It's got this down here. The original one doesn't have that. Get it. It just looks like this. There's no block down there for a screen. I assume this is out of an automatic. The RPM gauge and the temperature gauge kind of twitch a little bit when I put the key in. If you can see it here. Here goes the temperature gauge. Turn it off. Take out the key. Still doesn't. RPM gauge was doing it earlier. It's not now. I assume the immobilizer is what's shutting the car off. That's all the lights that come on. I'm not sure. Kind of new to the whole Volkswagen thing. Okay. If I try to start it. Nothing. Sometimes it'll catch and it'll fire, but there it went a little bit. You can hear that temperature gauge twitching. Kind of concerns me. There it ran for a second. And it just shuts off. There it goes again, but the tack isn't moving. Get started again. I assume that would be the immobilizer kicking it off. I also have this thing. I have no idea how to work it or what any of it means. Those of you that do know, that's what it says on it. I have two of these. I was told it's a body control module. So no IMO. I would think that would be a mobilizer, but call me crazy, I suppose. Immobilizer light is still flashing. Now with this key, if I have this one plugged in, the clicker doesn't work. Now it flashes the lights like it locks it, but it just makes that clicking noise. This is if I lock it and then unlock it. That's all it does. It doesn't actually lock. So I'm not too sure what to do. Kind of new to the whole Volkswagen thing. $500 for a vr6 2000 Jetta. I didn't think was too terribly bad. Yeah. Any suggestions, ideas, comments, concerns would be great. Thanks.